Nike Basketball continues to push performance forward by introducing new silhouettes packed with modern technology, as seen with the GT Future and the upcoming GT Cut 4. However, shoes priced close to $200 are not practical for many young players and families, especially with fast-growing feet and frequent outdoor use. This is where the GT Cut Academy line comes in. The newly released GT Cut Academy 2 is designed to deliver reliable performance at a more accessible price. Built for all positions and all court surfaces, the GT Cut Academy 2 features responsive air zoom cushioning in the forefoot, dependable herringbone traction, and a sleek low-top profile that matches today's on-court style. Design-wise, it takes inspiration from the GT Cut 3, using durable mesh in the heel and medial areas, plus a ventilated forefoot panel for improved airflow. The Nike GT Cut Academy 2 is available now for $95.